Good morning, students. Today I will discuss multiple angle. Okay, up to compound angle sums and product we have completed, and already I have given your study material also. Everything, all are practicing at home. Okay. Now today I will discuss multiple angle. Okay. Multiple, and if you remember multiple angle formula, also some multiple, both the same formula is there. Okay. First I am doing now multiple angle. Okay. So look at here. Achha, all of you know sin A plus formula. All of you know. Yes. See, write multiple angle. Okay. Multiple angle. Right. So A, if you write suppose angle A, then see multiple twice A also, thrice A also, 4A also, no? These are multiple. If we write some angle A, then A by 2, A by 3, these are some multiple. Okay? So multiple angle, all of you know sin A plus B will be sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, sin A plus B, so it will be sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, now we put suppose B equal to A. See, replace B by A. Okay, now we can write here sin A plus A twice A equal to, so sin A into cos A plus cos A into sin A. So see, both are same, sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Okay, so both are same, so will be, you can write 2 sin A into cos A. So we are getting one formula. So write sin 2A equal to 2 sin A into cos A. All of you remember this formula. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. So all of you remember trigonometric formula, very helpful for when you will do in calculus, differentiation, integration, everything. Okay, so this formula will be help you. Okay, this formula will help you. And sin twice A equal to sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. So sin 2A 2 sin A cos A. Keep in mind. Okay, sin 2A 2 sin A cos A. Now this formula we have to convert into in terms of tan form. See, so you can write here sin 2A, so we are getting the 2 sin A into cos A. Okay, so you can write this equal to 2 sin A cos A, see 2 sin A into cos A by, you can write, see, sin square A plus cos square A, because sin square cos square A, all of you know one. Now both numerator and denominator dividing by cos square A. Okay, both numerator and denominator by cos square A. So look at here, 2 sin A cos A by cos square A divided by sin square A plus cos square A by cos square A. Okay, so cos cancel, so 2 tan A by sin square cos square 1, so 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so sin 2A 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A Okay, sine 2a. So sine 2a we are getting now two formula. First one is there 2 sine a cos a, and second one we are getting sine 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, all of you remember when you have to apply this formula. Okay, suppose sine is given, find the tan a, sine 2 is given, that time you apply this formula. Otherwise sine 2 equal to sine a cos a. According to problem you can apply this formula. Okay, now cos, similar way, look at here, cos a plus b, all of you know the formula. Say, writing cos a plus b, we can write cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similar way, you put b equal to a, say cos 2a. So you can write here cos a into cos a, cos square a minus sin square a. So cos 2a we can write cos square a minus sin square a. So cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Achha, if we change this one, suppose cos in terms of sine, or sine you have to convert it into cos. Okay, then we are getting new formula again. But you remember this part. From here, automatically you can calculate other formula. You have to convert it into other formula. Say cos 2a, cos square a minus sin square a. So you can write here. See, cos 2a, cos square you can write 1 minus sin square a. So write 1 minus sin square a. Here again sin square a is there. So you can write here 1 minus 2 sin square a. So cos 2a we are adding 1 minus 2 sin square a. Similar way, again cos 2a we can write sin square can be 1 minus cos square a. So it will be 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. Okay. So cos 2a we can write cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2 you have to write 1 minus 2 sin square a, and cos 2 you can write 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. Cos in terms of sine will be 1 minus 2 sin square a. A combined sin cos will be cos 2a cos square a minus sin square a. Okay. So if you write in terms of tan, then what formula you are getting? Okay, look at here. See, cos 2a we are getting now cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, so we can write here cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a plus sin square you can write. Okay, similar way, dividing both sides by both numerator and denominator by cos square a. Say, so cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a. So you can write here cos square by cos square 1. So write 1 minus sin square by tan square a, 1 minus sin square by cos square tan square a, and this is 1 plus tan square a. So cos 2a we are getting in terms of tan. So you can write cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square. Okay? Now, again, suppose just we are getting now cos 2a. See, cos 2a we are getting 2 cos square a minus 1. So you take 1 that side. So you can write 1 plus cos 2a, also 2 cos square a. Similar way, 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. Remember this one. Same formula is there. So from here, you could divide these two. So you can write tan square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Remember, tan square you can write 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Okay? From cos 2a, first getting cos square a minus sin square a. Second one, in terms of cos 2 cos square a minus 1. And in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square a, and cos 2 in terms of tan will be 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, and again 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a, 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. Okay? Yes. Again tan you can write, see, tan 2a. So we are getting in terms of sin, say, sin 2a, we are getting sin 2a, okay? So 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, and cos 2a we are getting 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. You put divide these two, sin by cos. So we are getting tan 2a equal to, see, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay? Tan 2a we are getting 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay? Right. Next, suppose sin 3a. So formula is there, very important formula, all of you remember, in terms of 3, okay? So, right, sin 3a, we know 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a, we can write 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Remember, sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. 1 minus 3 tan square a. So I am proving here, look at here. See. All of you remember. See. So sin 3a, look at here. Sin 3a, we can write sin 2a plus a. Okay. Sin 2a plus a. So write sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay? So write sin 2, all of you know 2 sin a cos a. So write 2 sin a cos a into cos a. So you can write cos square a. Okay? Plus cos 2a in terms of sin. So you can write 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. Okay, now multiply. So 2 sine A cos square, you can write 1 minus sine square A cos square. Now multiply here, plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Now multiply 2 sine A minus 2 sine cube A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Okay, so write 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. So sine 3 we are getting sine 3A. Okay, 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. We are getting. Similar way, see, if you write cos 3A, look at here, cos 3A. So you can write cos 2A plus A. Okay, cos 2A plus A. Okay, now cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, right? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now see, cos 2A, you can write 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A minus sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A, again sin A. So you can write 2 sin square A into cos A. So write 2 sin square A into cos A. Okay, now multiply 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A into this sin square, you can write 1 minus cos square A. So write 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A plus 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A. So write here 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, so we are getting cos 3A formula. Okay, so all of you remember formula. Okay, so cos 3A, we are getting 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, so all of you remember when calculus, no, during calculus time, suppose integration 4 cos cube, this is given, how to integrate, just to remember the formula. So very helpful formula for integration, for differentiation, all of you remember trigonometric formula. Okay, without formula you can't proceed. Okay, now again similar way, see, sin 3A, sorry, tan 3A, tan 2A plus A. Okay, so write tan 3A, you can write tan 2A plus A. So tan A plus B, tan 2A plus tan B by 1 minus tan 2A into tan A. So tan 2, you know, 2 tan A by 1 plus 1 minus tan square A plus tan A by, here also 1 minus 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A into tan A. Okay, now 2 tan A plus simple LCM. So here you can write 1 minus plus tan A minus tan cube A. See, twice tan A. Tan is given. So LCM is 1 minus tan square A. simplified. So tan A into 1 minus tan square A by, here also see, 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. Okay, minus 2 tan square A and 1 minus tan square A and 1 minus tan square A is cancelled. So right, upper part 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So tan 3A we are getting, okay, all remember tan 3A. So tan 3A equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, tan 3A, 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, tan 3A. Okay, so keep in mind sin 3 what getting, sin 3A 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, cos 3A 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, tan 3A 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, all of you remember. And to discuss multiple angle here, again I reminding sin 2A 2 sin A cos A and sin 2 in terms of tan 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A, cos 2A cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, cos 2A and cos 2 cos square A minus 1 also, and or 1 minus 2 sin square A also, and interchanging 1 plus cos 2A 2 cos square A, 1 minus cos 2A 2 sin square A, and sin 3A 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, cos 3A 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, tan 3A 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square. Okay, all of you remember this formula, then it will be very easy to you. Okay, similarly suppose sin theta in some multiple formula, just a similar formula is there. See, wait, I am showing here, then it will be very easy to you. Just you put here, replace A by 2 by in place of A. See, suppose just we are getting now sin 2A, see, sin 2A 2 sin A cos A getting. So right, only sin A we can write sin A. So 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. See, replace A by 2 in place of A. See here A by 2, A by 2, twice A, half. See no, A by 2. So we put here A by 2 in place of A. Similarly, sin A we can write 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Similar formula. Again, suppose cos 2A, wait. Similar type formula. Cos 2A, we can write, sorry, cos A. See, cos A, we can write cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Formula. And 1 minus cos A, we can write 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A, we can write 2 cos square A by 2. Okay? Just interchange. Cos A, we can write 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Cos A again 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Again cos A, we can write 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Like that. Similar type of formula is there. Okay? And today, no more today. Just today I am only discussing it today. The formula is the multiple angle, some multiple formula. All of you remember. The next class I will do exercise. Okay? Okay. Bye.